Okay, good evening, everybody. It's nice to see you again to join this English class from New Normal Center. So thank you for New Normal for organizing this English class. Okay, if my voice is still very low, please comment. Otherwise, I will just continue. Yeah. Okay, today we will be discussing about pronouns. Mr. Tony, kalau suaranya kecil, komen ya. Nanti saya pakai headset. Ya. Speak louder. Oke, saya pakai handphone deh. Tes. Is it clearer now?
Ya, Pak, jauh lebih jelas suaranya.
Jauh lebih jelas ya?
Ya.
Ya, karena ini pakai headphone. Jadi kesannya kayak pilot.
Gak apa-apa, Pak. Kita penumpangnya semuanya.
Penumpang ya, oke. Terima kasih. Oke, today we will be discussing about pronouns. Ya, kita akan diskusi tentang pronouns. Kira-kira bahasa Indonesianya apa ya? Kata ganti nama ya, kalau nggak salah. Okay. Nah, here we are going to discuss about three things about pronouns. There are personal pronouns, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Nah, in personal pronouns, we have subject pronoun, object pronoun, adjective pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Oke, hari ini kita akan diskusi tentang pronouns, kata ganti nama. Ada personal pronoun, kata ganti nama pribadi. Ada demonstrative pronoun, kata ganti petunjuk ya mungkin ya. Dan interrogative pronoun, kata ganti untuk bertanya ya. Oke. Nah, here project subject pronoun. We have person, first person, second person, and third person. And then we have singular and plural ya. Nah, di sini ada kata ganti orang yang pertama, kedua, dan ketiga, dan juga singular dan plural. Singular, kalau masih ingat, artinya satu, plural artinya lebih dari satu ya. First person singular, it's I. Second person singular, you. Third person singular, he, she, it. Ya, kata ganti nama yang pertama I, saya, you, kamu, dan yang ketiga he, she, it. Ya, he untuk laki-laki, she untuk perempuan, it untuk benda mati ya atau binatang. Nah, you di sini adalah singular, satu orang. And then we have here plural. First person plural we, second person plural you, third person plural they. Ya. Nah, kata ganti orang pertama we, kami ya, lebih dari satu plural. And then second person you, kamu, tapi kamu di sini adalah jamak ya, more than one. And then third person plural they, mereka. Nah, they di sini berlaku untuk baik living things or non-living things. Baik untuk makhluk hidup maupun makhluk mati ya. And then here personal pronoun. Okay, examples of singular pronouns ya. First person I, if you remember tadi, I, you, he, she, it Ya, sekarang dalam bentuk contoh ya. First person, I am your teacher. Saya adalah gurumu. Second person, you are my student. Kamu adalah muridku. Nah, kamu di sini remember singular, satu orang ya. And then third person, he, she is my friend. It is my dog. He, she, laki-laki, perempuan, dia, ya kita sebutnya dia. Dia adalah teman saya. It is my dog. Itu adalah anjing saya, ya. Nah, examples of plural pronouns. Pronouns yang jamak. First person, we are a family. Kita atau kami adalah sebuah keluarga, ya. Kalau di bahasa Inggris, kita, kami, sama we, ya. And then second person, you are my students. Kamu adalah murid-muridku. Nah, you di sini sama-sama spelling semua bacanya sama. Yang tadi adalah singular, you kamu satu orang. Yang ini you kamu tapi jamak lebih dari satu ya. You are my students. Kamu semua adalah muridku. Third person, they are my friends. Mereka adalah teman-teman saya. They are my dogs. Mereka adalah anjing-anjing saya, ya. Nah, they baik untuk makhluk hidup maupun makhluk non hidup penggunaannya sama, ya. Oke. Nah, sekarang personal pronouns tadi sudah saya sebutkan ada I, you, we, they, he, she, it, ya. Nah, ini saya gabungkan dalam satu tabel, jadi bisa dilihat dengan jelas ya. Jadi ini adalah subject pronoun ya. I, you, he, she, it, singular, and then plural. You, we, they. Ya, you yang atas adalah S means singular, satu. You yang di bawah adalah P for plural. Ya. Okay, so you have subject, and then you have object pronoun, adjective pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Ya. I, subject, me, object, my, adjective, mine, possessive, myself, reflexive pronoun. Ya. I, me, my, mine, myself. Ya. You, your, yours, yourself. Ya. Nah, nanti akan saya jelaskan satu-satu ya. And then he, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. Terus yang plural, you, your, yours, yourselves. Ya, yourselves. Ya, plural. Pay attention to the spelling ya, perhatiin spellingnya. Kalau yang singular itu ELF, sedangkan yang plural menjadi VES ya. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. They, them, their, theirs, themselves. Ya. Oke. Mudah-mudahan kita bisa selesai sampai latihan ya pronoun. Karena kayaknya mungkin agak cukup banyak. Subject pronoun I ya. I, me, my, mine, myself ya. Subject, object, adjective, possessive or possession, myself, reflexive ya. Nah, I, if you remember subject means the located is at the front ya. Location-nya di depan. Ya, itu subject. Lokasinya di depan. Me, object, berarti location-nya at the back, di belakang, ya. I bought a book yesterday. Saya membeli sebuah buku. This book belongs to me. Buku ini milik saya. Ya, kalau di bahasa Indonesia, saya subjek, saya objek, sama-sama saya, tidak ada beda ya. Tapi di bahasa Inggris ada perbedaan. Begitu juga adjektif ya. This is my book. Ini adalah buku saya. This book is mine. Buku ini milik saya ya. Nah, if you pay attention here, subject ya posisinya di depan, objek posisinya di belakang. Adjective ini, remember, adjective is a word that describe noun or pronoun. Ya, adjective ini menjelaskan kata benda atau kata ganti nama ya, noun or pronoun. And then possessive, this is talking about possession, belong, kepunyaan ya. And then reflexive, ya, this is talking about do you do it yourself or by someone else ya. Oke, kembali ke yang tadi. Nah, jadi this is my book. Ini adalah buku saya. This book is mine. Buku ini milik saya. I bought this book by myself atau myself. Ya, dua-duanya boleh. Ya, konteksnya aja sedikit berbeda. Excuse me. Nah, saya membeli sebuah buku. Buku ini milik saya. Buku ini my book. Buku ini punya saya. Buku ini punya saya. Kalau mungkin bahasa Indonesia mirip-mirip ya. Saya membeli buku ini oleh saya sendiri. I bought this book by myself. Atau I bought this book myself. Ya. Jadi by ini boleh dipakai, boleh tidak. Tergantung konteks. I bought this book by myself. Artinya saya membeli buku ini oleh saya sendiri, tidak ada yang membantu. But if I say I bought this book myself, it means initiative. Ya, ini saya beli buku ini inisiatif saya sendiri, tidak ada yang nyuruh. Ya, saya mau saya sendiri membeli. Ya. You look happy. This is singular. Mother bought this book for you. This is your book. This book is yours. Did you buy this book by yourself? Ya. Kamu kelihatan senang. Ibu membelikan kamu sebuah buku. This is your book. Buku ini adalah bukumu. This book is yours. Buku ini adalah kepunyaanmu. Did you buy this book by yourself? Apakah kamu membeli buku ini oleh kamu sendiri atau oleh inisiatifmu sendiri? Ya. Nah, bedanya antara yang your book sama yours, ini kan ada pakai S, ini tidak pakai S ya. Nah, bedanya S ini represent the thing. Ya. Nah, yang atas your book karena ada book tidak pakai S. Ya. Tapi kalau kita pakai S, kita tidak pakai book. Ya. Nah, itu perbedaannya. Jadi kalau udah pakai S, tidak pakai lagi book. So you don't say this book is yours book. Ya, enggak. Itu double. Salah jadinya. Oke. Oke, next. He has a book. Dia mempunyai sebuah buku. Tony gave him a book yesterday. Tony memberikan dia sebuah buku. Ya, he untuk laki-laki ya. Objeknya menjadi him. Tony gave him. Tony memberikan dia sebuah buku. His father gave him a book yesterday. Nah, his father, ya ini adjektif. Papanya, ya his ini adjektif. Menerangkan noun or pronoun, ya. Papanya siapa? Papanya dia, his father. His father gave him a book yesterday. It is his. Itu adalah kepunyaannya. Maksudnya buku itu adalah kepunyaannya. Ya. It adalah kata ganti benda mati, ya. Di sini kata bendanya adalah book. Jadi kita bisa ganti dengan it. Jadi menjadi it is his. Ya. Atau bisa juga it is his book. Ya, karena his adjective sama his possessive pronoun tulisannya sama. Oke. He keeps his book by himself. Dia menyimpan buku itu oleh dirinya sendiri. Ya, tidak ada yang bantu dia menyimpan. Dia menyimpannya sendiri. Ya. Oke, she has a book. Dia mempunyai sebuah buku. John gave it to her. John memberikannya kepadanya. Ya, memberikannya kepadanya. It di sini adalah buku, her adalah she yang di atas. Ya. Her brother gave it to her. Her brother, ya, kakaknya, kakak laki-lakinya, ya, her. Memberikannya kepadanya, ya. Nah, her di sini bisa sebagai objek, bisa sebagai adjektif. Yang di depan ini sebagai adjektif, yang di belakang sebagai objek, ya. Kebetulan spellingnya sama, cara bacanya sama. Tapi jangan bingung, ya. Kalau dia muncul sebelum noun or pronoun, dia berarti sebagai adjektif, ya. And then hers, belonging. It is hers, ya, sorry ini salah ketik. It is hers. Karena udah ada s, jadi kita nggak pakai book. Atau bisa juga it is her book, ya. Oh, ini ketiknya di bawah ya. Oke, nanti saya perbaiki. Oke, subject pronoun it, ya. It, I have a dog. Saya memiliki seekor anjing, ya. It is my dog. Anjing ini punya saya. I gave it a bone. Saya memberikan anjing saya sebuah tulang. It is its bone. Ini tulang kepunyaan anjing saya. It is its. Ini kepunyaan dia, ya. Or you can say this bone belongs to it, ya. And then my dog went to the park by itself. Anjing saya pergi ke taman oleh dirinya sendiri, ya. Tidak ada yang membawa dia ke taman. Dia ke taman oleh dia sendiri, ya. Nah, now subject pronoun you plural. Now, this is the situation. Teacher is talking to the students in the class, ya. Ini guru berbicara kepada murid-murid di kelas, ya, murid-murid. Murid ini kata gantinya menjadi kamu tapi plural, ya. And then you students, ya. Ini seolah-olah guru berbicara kepada muridnya, you berarti semua murid-murid yang ada di dalam kelas, bukan hanya satu, ya. You must obey school's rules, ya. Kamu harus mentaati peraturan sekolah. Nah, terus tiba-tiba gurunya ngomong sama salah satu murid, I am talking to you. Ya. Oh, sorry. You di sini tetap sebagai semua murid, ya, students. I am talking to you, ya. You di sini artinya semua murid. Ya, ini hanya contoh saja. Are they your books? Apakah buku-buku ini punya kalian? Ya, your di sini juga plural, ya. Apakah buku-buku ini punya kalian? Kalau satu orang kan kamu. Apakah buku ini punyamu? Itu kalau you-nya satu. Nah, kalau you-nya banyak, your-nya banyak, are they your books? Apakah buku-buku ini punya kalian? Kamu satu, kalian banyak, ya. Are they yours? Are they yours? Ya, karena kita books-nya kita hilangkan. Jadi ini pakai s, ya. Are they yours? Did you do the test by yourself? Apakah kamu mengerjakan ulangan tersebut oleh kalian sendiri, ya, oleh kalian sendiri, bukan oleh dirimu sendiri, ya. Kalau itu singular, dirimu sendiri, tapi ini oleh kalian sendiri, ya. Oke, subject pronoun for we. We have new books. Kami mempunyai buku-buku baru, ya. Buku-buku baru, plural. School gave us new books last week. Sekolah memberikan kami buku-buku baru last week, minggu lalu. Those are our books. Itu semua adalah buku-buku kami, ya. Those ini nanti akan dijelaskan, ya. Ini plural. Itu yang artinya plural, banyak, ya. Those books are ours. Buku-buku tersebut adalah kepunyaan kami, ya. We brought the books home by ourselves. Kami membawa buku-buku tersebut pulang oleh kami sendiri, ya. They bought some books. Mereka membeli buku, membeli beberapa buku. Those books belongs to them. Buku-buku tersebut kepunyaan mereka, ya. Those books are their books. Buku-buku ini adalah kepunyaan mereka. Those books are theirs. Buku-buku ini kepunyaan mereka, ya. Nah, ingat perbedaan their books and theirs. Ya, kalau udah ada theirs, berarti nggak pakai book. Kalau their, berarti pakai books. Ya. They bought the books themselves. Mereka membelinya kemauan mereka sendiri. Ya. Oke. Now, interrogative pronoun. Nah, sebelum masuk ke sini, mungkin ada yang mau tanya dulu nggak? Soalnya ini udah subtopik, ya. Oke, boleh di chat aja deh kalau ada yang mau nanya, ya. Tapi tidak terlalu banyak supaya waktunya kita bisa selesai. Let me see from here. Oke, yang verb kita nggak bahas dulu ya, nanti kita akan bahas. Hari ini kita fokusnya pronoun dulu ya. Oke, kelihatannya tidak ada pertanyaan ya. Ini diskusi antar teman mungkin ya.
Ya, Pak Hendra tidak perlu cari ke atas ya, itu ntar mulai chat dari bagian yang saya aja. Jadi teman-teman yang tadi mungkin ada pertanyaan silakan di chat ulang aja ya. Jadi Pak Hendra tidak perlu cari ke atas lagi.
Oh, oke. Oke, cuman ada satu pertanyaan, kenapa her bisa jadi subjek? Her bukan jadi subjek, tapi dia sebagai adjektif. Jadi papanya, ya misalnya Susi. Susi punya buku. Papanya Susi memberikan sebuah buku ya. Her father. Her father. Berarti her itu refer to Susi. Susi's father. Jadi kita bisa bilang Susi's father. Kita juga bisa bilang her father. Ya, dia bukan sebagai subjek tetapi sebagai adjektif. Ya. Oke, kita lanjut ya. Interrogative pronoun, function to ask question. Fungsi ini interrogative pronoun adalah to ask question, untuk bertanya. Ya, contoh-contohnya who, whom, what, which, whose. Ya. Nah, who di sini bertanya tentang subject person. Subject person ya, masih ingat ya, posisinya ada di depan. Whom, object person, posisinya di belakang. What, asking about things, which asking for specific questions, and then whose asking for possession, bertanya tentang kepunyaan, ya. Which asking for specific questions, artinya bertanya tentang hal-hal yang spesifik, ya. Nah, nanti contohnya seperti apa kita akan bahas, ya. Oke, example who. Who are you waiting for? Kamu menunggu siapa? Whom. To whom shall I give this letter? Kepada siapa? Ya, objek. Kepada siapa saya seharusnya memberikan surat ini? What? What is your favorite color? Apa warna kesukaanmu? Which? Which one is your book? Buku mana kepunyaanmu? Whose? Whose book is this? Buku siapakah ini? Ya, lebih kurang seperti itu. Nah, sekarang demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun points out or identifies a noun. Ya, menunjukkan sebagai kata ganti dari kata benda. Ya, contohnya di sini ada 4, ada this, ada that, ada these, ada those. Ya, this, that, these, those. Ya, this and these. Ya, nah cara bacanya this satu, this itu satu ya. This yang di atas itu satu atau singular. That itu juga satu atau singular ya. These itu plural. Kalau this itu ini, these ini yang banyak. Kalau this ini yang satu, these ini yang banyak ya. That itu yang satu, those itu yang banyak ya. This and these are used to refer to people or things that are within reach of the speaker or near. Ya, jadi ini bicara tentang posisi. This satu, these banyak ya. Itu dipakai untuk yang within reach ya, dalam jangkauan. Kalau bahasa Indonesia itu yang dekat. Ini yang posisinya dekat dengan pembicara ya. Example, this is my book, singular. And then plural, these are my books. Buku-buku ini adalah punya saya ya. This is my book. Buku ini punya saya. Ya, satu dan banyak. That and those are used to refer to people or things that are beyond the reach, beyond, di luar jangkauan ya. Beyond, di luar. Reach, jangkauan. Beyond the reach of the speaker, di luar jangkauan pembicara. Itu ya. That is my cat. Kucing itu punya saya, singular, satu. Those are my cats. Ya, kucing-kucing itu punya saya. Ya. Oke. Nah, sekarang kita ke buku latihan ya. Kalau yang punya boleh dikeluarkan. Bisa sambil diisi juga nanti. Sambil minum sebentar. Ya, jadi hari ini kita sudah bahas, bukan sudah, kita sedang membahas pronouns ya, unit 4. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a common noun or a proper noun. There are different kinds of pronouns ya. Nah, tadi ini sudah kita bahas ya, personal pronouns. Ada apa aja? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Itu personal pronouns ya. My name is David. I am the youngest in the family. Nah, ini contoh-contoh penggunaan pronouns dalam kalimat. Nah, ini yang sudah kita bahas tadi ya. Ini skip ya kalau. There are 3 groups of pronouns. First person, second person, and third person. Nah, ini juga tadi sudah kita bahas ya. Nah, ini tabelnya mereka. Subject, object, first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, and then first person plural, second person plural, and third person plural. Subject and object ya. Nah, tadi udah saya jelaskan sampai ke reflexive pronoun ya. Subject, object, adjective ya yang tadi sudah saya jelaskan. Terus possessive sama reflexive ya, lengkap 5 langsung. Ini yang reflexive pronouns ya. The words myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves are called reflexive pronouns ya. Nah, contoh-contohnya, I made this cake myself. Be careful with the knife, you will cut yourself. Ya, nah ini contoh-contohnya. Nanti bisa baca sendiri ya. Tadi sudah dijelaskan. Here is the table to remind you about reflexive pronouns. Nah, tadi juga sudah saya kasih ya. First person, second person, third person. Singular, plural. Ya. Nah, ini interrogative pronouns. The words who, whom, whose, what, and which are called interrogative pronouns ya. Interrogative. Ya, kalau bahasa Indonesia itu interogasi, yang artinya untuk bertanya, ya. These pronouns are used to ask questions, ya, untuk bertanya. Who, siapa? Who is he talking to? Dia sedang berbicara dengan siapa? Dia sedang berbicara kepada siapa? Whom, who are you playing with? Kamu sedang bermain dengan siapa? Whom, object. Which of these bags is yours? Ya. Yang mana dari tas-tas ini adalah kepunyaanmu? Ya, specific questions. And then whose is this umbrella? Payung ini kepunyaan siapa? Whose. And then what is your dog's name? Ya, apa nama anjingmu? Ya. Who can be used as the object of a verb as well as the subject. Jadi kalau nggak pakai whom untuk bertanya objek, ternyata boleh juga. Ya. Tapi whom udah pasti bertanya tentang objek person. Ya. Who are you playing with? Or whom are you playing with? Ya, boleh. And then demonstrative pronouns. Ya, the words these, that, and those are called demonstrative pronouns. Ya, demonstratif sebagai kata petunjuk ya. Di sini, di sana ya, kata petunjuk, menunjuk. They are showing words. Ya, for example, these are sheep. Ya, ini adalah domba-domba. Those are goats ya, yang di jauh sana itu adalah kambing-kambing ya. Nah, here singular, plural. This, these, that, those, ya. Nah, kalau yang plural cara bacanya itu agak ditarik ya. This, singular. This, ya, pendek. Sedangkan yang plural these, ya, agak panjang dan belakangnya itu ada z sound ya. This, these, that, those, ya. Oke, sekarang kita latihan ya. Oke, yang mau jawab bisa raise your hand as usual. Nanti akan saya panggil ya. Nah, berharap teman-teman yang belum pernah join untuk bertanya, ya kita encourage ya supaya boleh aktif untuk bertanya ya. Oke, Veronica.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir.
Nice to see you again, to hear from you again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, exercise 1. So you have to tell me the object of the subject that I will mention. Yeah, I say the subject, you tell me the object.
Okay, sir.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. 2 questions. I. Me, good. He.
Him.
Okay, good. Thank you, Veronica.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Linda.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Okay, good evening, Miss Linda. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready.
All right. The object of it.
It.
Yes. Okay. One more. The object of she.
Her.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Her.
Yes,
You're
correct.
welcome.
Thank you. Okay, now it's Fanny.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay, this time 3 questions for you. The object of they.
Them.
Them, okay. Them or them, it's okay. You.
You.
You. Okay, one more. We.
Us.
Okay, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, next, Ricky.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, this time I say object, you tell me the subject.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, the first one, us.
We.
Her.
She.
You.
You.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now Rudy.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everybody,
Good
and my
evening.
teacher.
Yes, thank you.
Number
Now
2.
I say, yes, I say, no, I say the object, you tell me the subject. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Them.
They.
They. Me.
Sorry. Me.
Me.
Or I.
Okay. 2 more. Him.
He.
Okay. Last one. It.
It.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, next exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Oke, teman-teman yang lain silahkan ya participate. Yang belum pernah coba, monggo. Leonardo,
Yes.
sorry.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Good evening.
Okay, good evening.
Number one, sir.
Okay, number 1, directly the
Peter.
answer.
Okay. Peter and I are brother. We share a bedroom together. We.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Say
Thank you, sir.
share. Yeah, say
Share.
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 Yes. Yeah, share a bedroom.
Share a bedroom.
Yes, good. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Next, Desmi. 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 Okay, Desmi, I think your network is not very good. Okay, Desmi, I will just mute first. Later, I will call your name again. Yeah, you are so lagging, your network.
Yes. Hello.
Hello? Okay.
Hello.
Desmi, is it you?
Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, number 2, please. Halo? Oke, putus ya. Oke, next, Agnes. Agnes?
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
Okay, number 2, please.
Number 2. Okay,
Yes.
sir. Sue is not well. That is taking her to see a doctor.
Okay, say Sue.
Sue.
Yeah, so this is a person's name. Sue
Oh, yeah. Sue is not well.
is not well.
Is not well.
Dad
That is
is,
taking her to see a doctor.
yes, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we have Friska.
Yes, Mr. Hendra, good evening.
Okay, good evening. Number 3.
My brother is a teacher. He teach English.
He teaches.
Oh, he teaches English.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hendra.
Welcome. Okay, next, Lily.
Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening.
Yes.
Okay.
All his students like them very much.
Okay, all his students like
Them very much.
Okay, why did you say them?
Students with S.
Alright. Okay, the answer is all his students like him very much. Yeah, like him. Because
Okay.
he's student. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Steffi.
Yes.
All right, number 5.
5. Children blah 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 are making. Oh, children they are making too much noise.
It's not wrong, but not exactly.
Oh,
Okay, the better answer is children, you are making too much noise.
oh,
Yeah,
you.
because this is seems like the teacher is talking to the children. Hey, children, you are making too much noise. Please be quiet. Yeah, something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, next, Taufik.
Good evening, sir. Hello, can you hear me?
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Sebentar, sepertinya Pak Hendra punya internetnya.
Good evening, sir.
Ya, sahabat kelas, tunggu sebentar ya. Sepertinya Pak Hendra punya device ada gangguan jaringan.
Hello.
Oh ya.
Udah ini belum, Mister?
Udah
back.
Udah kedengar.
Ya? Oke, so sorry. Ternyata punya saya itu ya. Oke, one more time, Taufik ya, Taufik.
Oh, yes, sir. Good evening.
Okay. Good evening. So sorry. Now, number 6.
Okay. Number 6. Who are those people? Where are them from?
Okay. Who are those people?
Where are
Okay,
them
those.
from?
Okay. Where are they from?
They from?
Where are they from? They as subject.
Okay. Where are they from?
Yes. Okay. So say those.
Those.
Right.
Those people.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
Okay, who are those people? Siapa orang-orang itu? Dari mana mereka berasal? Ya, who are those people? Where are they from? Dari mana mereka berasal? Okay, next, Yayan. Sorry. Okay, Yayan.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So sorry, just now something wrong.
No problem.
Okay, number 7.
7. Mom is a doctor. He works in a hospital.
Okay, did you say he or she?
She works. She works in a hospital.
Okay, say works.
Yeah, works. Yeah.
Works with S.
Works.
Yes, again, works.
Yeah, works.
Okay. Yes, good. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next, Rauda.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Rauda. Good evening. Okay, number 8, please.
Okay. The sky is getting dark. It is going to rain.
Yes, correct. It is going
you,
to
sir.
rain. Ya. Jadi kata gantinya sky itu adalah it ya, kata kata benda, ya. Okay, next Wiriani. Sorry.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Number 9.
Number 9. John, we are all waiting for you. Are you coming with us?
Yes, very good. John, we are all waiting for you. Are you coming with us? Yes, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay. Ricky.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Number 10. Sir.
Yes.
May I borrow your pen?
Yes. Good. May I borrow your pen? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next Titik.
Yes.
Okay.
Titik mana tuh?
Echoing. It's echoing.
Yes, of course. When can you return it to me?
Titik, it's echoing your device.
No. Yes, of course. When can I return it to you? When can I return it to me?
When can you return?
Oh, when can you return it to me?
Yes, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Shari.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir. Good evening.
Number 11, please. Sorry, number 12.
Number 12. What are you reading, Jenny?
Yes, what are you reading, Jenny? Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome, sir.
Okay, now exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct reflexive pronouns from the box. Yeah, reflexive pronouns. Okay, Mega.
Yes, sir. Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening. Okay, number 1.
Yeah, no one can help us. We have to help ourselves.
Yes, ourselves.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, Ethan. Ethan.
Jane always make the bed by
Herself.
Hmm?
No one can help us. We have to help ourselves.
Sorry, number 2. Jane.
Jane always make the bed by herself.
Yes, you are right. Thank you. Are you the first time, Ethan?
Yes.
Ya ampun,
Yeah.
ribet banget sih.
Okay. See you. Okay, next. Rudy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 3, please.
They painted the wall all by themselves.
By themselves. Okay, say themselves.
Themselves.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, next, Linda.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, number 4.
I hurt myself in the playground yesterday.
Okay,
I
correct.
hurt myself in the playground yesterday.
Yes, correct. I
Thank
hurt
you.
myself. Thank you. Next, Rosa.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Is it your first time joining this?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Welcome then. Okay, are
Okay,
you
number
ready?
5.
Yes,
Yes,
number
I'm
5.
ready.
Okay.
Okay. John, you must behave. John, you must behave yourself before your friend.
Yes, correct. John, you must behave yourself before your friends. So someone is talking to John. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, next, Salvinia. Salvinia.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Are you also the
Num-
first time?
Yes.
Okay, welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, number 6, please.
Number 6. Children, you must do the homework yourself.
Okay, yourself, singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural, okay. Say one more time.
Children, you must do the homework yourself.
Okay, yourselves.
Yourself.
You have the v sound, yourselves.
Yourself.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Salvinia.
Thank you.
Okay, next, Helen.
Hello, Mister. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yes. Are you also a first timer, Helen?
Yes, I am.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, please, number 7.
Tom defended himself against the bullies.
Okay, Tom defended
Himself.
against the bullies. Yes, thank you. You are correct. Okay, next, Desmi. Desmi.
Sir, yes. Good evening, Mr. Hendra.
Hello, good evening. Number 8.
Number 8 is the dog is scratching itself.
Yes, good. Thank you.
Thank you, welcome.
Oke, Mr. Tony, ini waktunya udah selesai. Boleh nggak kita selesaikan nih exercise 4?
Oke, sahabat kelas yang lain gimana? Tolong di chat ya. Kalau oke kita lanjutin.
Ini last
Lanjut ya.
exercise. Mungkin
Lanjut
5
ya.
sampai 10 menit. Oke ya?
Oke, lanjut.
Oke. Lanjut ya, next. Friska.
Yes, Mister.
Hello.
Hello, Mister.
Okay, so exercise 4, you need to write the correct interrogative pronouns in the blanks to complete the sentence. Yeah, interrogative pronouns. Okay, number 1.
What is the matter with you?
Okay, what is the matter with you? Yes, good. Thank you.
Thank you, Mister.
Ricky.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 2.
Whom invented the computer?
Did you say who or whom?
Whom?
It's who.
Oh,
Subject. Ya, siapa yang menciptakan? Ya. Oke, thank you.
sir.
Oke, Artsy.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Artsy. Is it your name, Artsy?
Yes, yes.
Okay, are you the first
Yes,
time?
it's me.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Welcome. Please answer questions number 3.
Okay. Number 3. Which of the twins is older?
Yes, correct. Which of the twins is older? Yang mana dari kembaran ini yang lebih tua? Thank you, Artsy.
Yes, sir.
Veronica.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 4.
Whom do you wish to speak to?
Okay, whom do you wish to speak to? Correct. Object, ya.
Yes, sir.
Object pronoun. Thank you.
Anytime, sir.
Leonardo.
Number 5, yes, sir.
Number 5.
Number 5. Whose is this car in front of our house?
Okay, correct. Say
Thanks,
whose.
sir. Whose?
Say whose.
Whose?
Yes. Whose is this car in front of our house? Mobil siapakah di depan rumah kami ini? Ya. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
Now, Pick Ian. Pick Ian.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Pick Ian.
Yes,
Is this
sir.
your first time?
Yes.
Okay, welcome.
Number 6, sir.
Yes.
Who knows the answer?
Yes, correct. Who knows the answer? You are correct. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, next, Veronica. Sorry. Veronica.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Which came
Number 7.
first? Which came first, the chicken or the egg?
Okay. What came first? Yeah. What came first? If you say which, you can say which one came first. Ya, jadi boleh dua-duanya. What came first or which came first? Which one came first? Yang mana duluan? Okay, thank you. Okay, next, Helen.
Yes, mister.
Okay, number 8.
What would you like to drink?
Okay, what would you like to drink? Thank you. You are right.
You're welcome.
Okay, Taufik.
Okay, sir. Number 9.
Uh-huh.
Which of them do you think will win the race?
Yes, which of them do you think will win the race? Correct.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, last one. Wiriani.
We can't hear you, sir. Your microphone still mute, sir. Hendra.
Okay, so for number 10, since no, by the way, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so last one for number 10. Which is the word for a stamp collector? yeah, which is the word for a stamp collector. By the way, this sentence is quite ambiguous. Yeah. Okay, I think we have finished the class for tonight. We have finished the unit 4 pronouns. Yeah. Hope to see you again on Wednesday with a new topic.
Okay, thank you, Sir Hendra.
Yeah.
Tony.
Mr. Tony.
Oke, thank you Mr. Hendra. Terima kasih sahabat kelas yang sudah bergabung. Kita ketemu lagi di hari Rabu ya.
Thank you, Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Okay.
Have a
Thank you,
nice.
Mister.
Oke, terima kasih semuanya. Sampai ketemu.